Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm gonna be doing a cute flat twist style with spring twist hair, and this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. It's really cute and this style is very quick, so stay tuned. So I just got done washing and deep conditioning my hair, so yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, y'all. So today I'm going to be doing a cute flat twist hairstyle, and I'm going to be putting spring twist in the back, okay y'all? So I'm going to be using my fave so far, the Tropic Owls leave-in conditioner and detangler that has rosemary, shea butter, and black castor oil, and it comes in this bottle. And I'm going to be using can't believe it's not butter. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I've been using it, well, on and off for years. So, and I'm going to be using the curl maker, okay, because I love the way it sleeks. And I'm going to be using my baby, okay, blueberry and mint tea scalp treatment oil. Okay, all right y'all, so I'm going to be spraying my hair with this first, the leave-in conditioner. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna be adding I'm gonna add this oil. If I can open it. Hold on. Oh. Alright y'all, so I'm going to now part my hair. Now I'm gonna have to use the mirror for this, y'all, because I can't see like that. And to note, y'all, always start from the eyebrow. Always look at it, well, kind of above it a little bit. Yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm done with that, and my hair is already part in 4 sections because I want to be flat twist and chunky flat twist back, because I think that better suits me. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna take my can't believe it's not butter and put it over my hair. And y'all, if y'all don't know about this stuff and y'all have yet to purchase or try this, when I say this stuff is, oh my gosh, my hair literally feels like butter. Everybody may not have the same results, but I know for the most part, a lot of people has had these really good results, okay? All right, y'all, so now I'm gonna add the gel, the curl maker, marshmallow, agave leaf extract gel by Camille Rose. And I'm gonna put that, grab the wrong stuff. Now I'm gonna put that up here because when this stuff dries up, it has like a sheen to it, like it makes your hair look super soft and silky, and I love the way it comes off like that. Well, I can go ahead a little bit right there, and I'm gonna kind of brush it just a tad bit, not too much. Okay, and what I'm gonna do now, you know what? I'm gonna make sure I got my edges out. Okay, but just to get close for y'all, I'm gonna have it like these two right here, and then I'm gonna back twist. You see what I'm saying? Start little by little. Don't just grab huge chunks, because you gotta remember your hair is natural and it's going to puff up automatically, you know, so. And then make sure that you twist in a motion, okay? And booyah, okay? So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist all the way down until I'm done with all sections, and then I will unravel all twists, and then that's when I will apply my fake hair. Okay, so so I done finished, and this is how it looks. And so, I mean, it's really a preference. I know for me, I wanted it, you know, to kind of spice it up with some length. And then right now, what you're gonna do is grab your scrunchie, all right, and just put it in a tight ponytail, not that tight, because your hair is gonna stay, okay? Like this. And what you're gonna do, okay, so right now I see I have obviously 4, so I'm gonna make chunky. It's gonna be, I'm gonna make sure that I put at least 2 of these together to make that chunky twist look. And like I showed y'all, this is spring twist hair. This is like closest to I like kinky twist hair, but I would rather put this hair in my hair versus that hair. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is grab your piece like this and kind of braid it at the top. Like, make sure that you're closest to the ponytail. Hold on. The beginning of it. And then, all right, as you do that, and then right now, then you start to split it. So I say braid down like 3 times or something like that. And then go ahead. Oh, malfunction. Hold on. Okay. What you're gonna do is twist the opposite way, like this. Okay. And y'all, this hair looks super natural. It looks like it's grown out of your scalp. I'm trying to tell you. Like, it literally looks like that. And since we are to moisturize our hair, we don't really need to put product, you know, towards the ends of our hair once. Okay. Also make sure that you do it nice and slow. Now, I've worn this hairstyle out some time, and people literally thought that this was my hair. And I was like, no, it's not. But I'm gonna give y'all the trick. I'm gonna show y'all the trick, okay, when I'm finished, to make it look natural. That's what you deal with a lot of hair. Alright, y'all. So this is how it looks. Now, it looks kind of crazy right now, but it's gonna start to like unravel itself and get kind of chunkier. Okay, and since this one is a little bulkier, I'm going to add 3 of these. See, y'all, I'm pretty much judging it by the thickness in which how much hair I need to add. All right, y'all, I'm all finished. So this is how it looks right now. And you can clip the ends just to get that straggly look, you know, out. And so, okay, I'm gonna take this piece right here, and then I'm just gonna twist it. And this piece I'm going to wrap right where it start, where my ponytail start, okay? So to kind of blind people from that, you know, that I got weave in my hair. Obviously it look like weave, but still, you don't want people to see it. So what I'm gonna do is twist it on my finger like this. You can use a doorknob, you can use a hanger. I choose to do it this way because it's quicker for me. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I am finished with my hair, and if you do like this look, this quick look, this look can be done before work. It's really quick and easy and cute, and it will last you a week or a week or two if you keep your hair put up. But anyways, this look didn't take no more than 15 minutes to do, so yeah. But anyways, if you like this video, if you like this cute hairstyle, go ahead and click the like button, and also go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. I often say subscribe below, but go ahead and subscribe, and go ahead and comment and all that good stuff, and share. And I love you all, and I'll see y'all on my next video.